Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tricelle and I'm an adult doll collector. Love all things 1/6 scale. So let's just get right into it. I did purchase this Foodie Mini Brands food court. It was on sale for $8.99, so I got it. And then I also got two Food Mini Brands Series 2 balls on sale for $2. Alright, and I am still going to be unboxing both of the doll houses. The Rainbow High house is the one that's winning currently, so I'm going to get into that. At any rate, let me go ahead and open up this box and put this together, and then we'll get right into it. Alright, so the food court is fully assembled and you see the entrance here and it's really cute. And then the cash registers along with the food areas with the restaurants, the seating area. There's also some cash registers with trays. We have a self-checkout as well and a ketchup and mustard stand. Now, I do adore this food court and I think it's super cute and I know it's compatible with the Foodie items. However, it does not fit my scale. My Barbie is way too big for this particular playset. So now I'm going to open up the exclusive item that came with this particular food court. And when I open it up, it is the Subway foot-long sandwich here. So it's pretty typical. I've seen other people unbox this, so I'm not surprised. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away. I've already opened the Mini Brands Foodie surprise ball. So let me put this away and then I will get to the bags and then we can look at the collector's guide. Here is the Foodie Mini Brands Collector's Guide, and here you will see all the available foodies that you are able to collect. The guide says in this particular series there were over 95 plus minis for you to collect. So in the very first bag, I received a Jack in the Box breakfast burrito. I'm not sure what happened to the footage of me opening the other packages, but I did get a Jamba Juice watermelon freeze smoothie. I also received some sushi, a Meat Lovers Pizza Hut pizza, and some Fridays pot stickers. Okay, so I'm gonna open up this next ball here. And again, dealing with this packaging. So it's open and we have the 5 packages. In the first package, we have some cinnamon rolls from Cinnabon. And what's funny is I just went to Cinnabon today. I went to the mall and I have my own. So now me and my Barbie will be enjoying some cinnamon bun. That's so funny. And in the next bag, we have some money. Yes, I knew me ordering that cash would come in handy. So now this is foreign money, but it's still money. Yes. And I'm just gonna put this cash in the little Louis Vuitton bag. Okay, so in the next bag we have Pizza Hut pizza. And let me open up this box, and I see that it's pepperoni and cheese, and you can take the pizza out of the box. That's so cool. And in this next bag, we have a Jamba Juice smoothie bowl here. Okay, in our last bag, we have, let's see. Oh, okay, it's a Jack in the Box breakfast sandwich. Delicious. And even though the food court is not compatible, the foodies are. It looks really good in my doll's hands. Thank you so much for joining me while I unbox Mini Brands Food Court. I do wish it was my preferred scale, which is 1/6, which are compatible with Barbies. So I'm going to build my own set. I'm going to do a DIY and show that on camera and just steal everything about it is set. At any rate, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Follow me on Instagram, Mamadollboss, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. You guys have a wonderful day. You are all awesome. Bye.